Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by placing the eye's horizontal axis. You want correct tilt and spacing, so draw a light guideline. You should mark iris size and lid breaks now because proportions dictate expression. Once done, sketch the pupil and tear duct with very light strokes so you can adjust. Make sure to indicate the eyelid crease and the lash line as separate shapes. That separation keeps accuracy. You're setting up the whole drawing, do it precise but fast. Then move immediately into defining form. Now focus on the iris. Lay a mid-tone base, then add radial strokes to suggest texture. Blend lightly, leaving a sharp highlight for sparkle. You want contrast, darken the pupil and upper rim, and add subtle reflected light beneath the lid so the eye reads wet and dimensional. For lashes, use confident, varied strokes starting at the lid margin. Avoid uniformity. Once you've built layers, step back and check values because juiciness comes from strong, believable contrasts. Finish by refining edges and locking in the brightest highlights. Use a white gel pen or a clean eraser to punch the specular spot on the cornea. That single dot sells wetness. Then soften the transition between sclere and eyelid with a light smudge to avoid a cutout look. If something looks flat, increase mid to dark contrast or lift highlights selectively. One key troubleshooting tip: if highlights disappear, lightly lift graphite with a kneaded eraser and redraw the brightest point. Don't overwork the area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.